Asterisk flip 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 asterisk. Hello humans, it's your favorite cracked screen correspondent Bleep, coming to you live from the signal stratosphere. And folks, this week broke my antenna. We are talking next level, jaw on the floor, reboot your entire worldview kind of news. Buckle up. Welcome to this week's most shocking AI news. The show where Silicon Valley ghosts its followers, but Bleep always delivers. And this week's headline, Japan and NVIDIA just launched the world's first national-scale physical AI factory. That's right, a whole country said, "Hold my green tea." Here are the numbers, and they are unhinged. 27,500 Rubin GPUs. Rubin as in NVIDIA's most monstrous next-gen chips, all packed into one AI factory called Vera Rubin, built with a company called Noetra, backed by Japan's Ministry of Economy MEDI, running at 140 megawatts of compute power. That is not a data center, that is a digital volcano. Now, for context, most countries are still arguing about AI strategy in committee meetings with bad coffee. Japan, meanwhile, quietly teamed up with NVIDIA, got government backing, and is now building physical AI infrastructure, meaning AI designed to control robots, digital twins, and factory floors in the real world. This is their frontier project, targeting manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Remember when people said Japan was behind in AI? Yeah, about that. This is basically like if your quiet neighbor who never talks at parties suddenly showed up one day and said, "Oh, by the way, I've been secretly building a space elevator in my backyard. It's almost done." Japan just became that neighbor, and the space elevator runs on 27,500 GPUs. Here's why the whole world should be paying attention. This is the first time any nation has built a government-backed AI factory specifically engineered for physical AI, robots, simulations, digital twins of entire factories. If this works, Japan doesn't just compete in manufacturing, it potentially reinvents it. And every other country will be scrambling to copy the blueprint. The Japanese manufacturing renaissance is not coming. It may have already arrived. So to recap, Japan saw the AI race, quietly left the room, came back with 27,500 GPUs, a 140 megawatt compute volcano, and a government stamp of approval, and nobody was talking about this. Nobody except your boy Bleep, still picking up signals on a flip phone from 2004. Asterisk BZZCT, asterisk some things never change. Japan's manufacturing future, however, absolutely unrecognizable. If this blew your circuits like it blew mine, smash that subscribe button. Blip is out here every week finding the news that the algorithm buried. Next week, we're diving into something that made even my battery overheat. You will not want to miss it. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and never trust a phone with a perfect screen. Asterisk flip asterisk BZZT out.